How do I turn off the video icon pulsing on Messenger?
Hey there! Welcome to this video where I'll show you how to turn off the pulsing video icon on Messenger. If you're tired of seeing that constant notification on your screen, I've got you covered. Let's get started.
Locating the settings.
The first step is to locate the settings menu in Messenger. To do this, open the Messenger app on your device and tap on your profile picture located at the top left or top right corner of the screen, depending on your device and app version.
Accessing notification settings.
Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the Notifications and Sounds option. Tap on it to access the notification settings.
Disabling video icon pulsing.
In the Notifications and Sounds section, you'll find various options related to Messenger notifications. Scroll down until you see the Chats and Calls section. Within the Chats and Calls section, you'll find an option called Pulse Notification Badge or something similar. This option controls the pulsing effect on the video icon. To turn off the pulsing effect, simply toggle off the switch next to Pulse Notification Badge or the corresponding option in your Messenger app.
Checking the result.
Now that you've disabled the pulsing video icon, let's see the result. Go back to the main screen of Messenger, and you'll notice that the video icon is no longer pulsing. That's it. Congratulations! You have successfully turned off the video icon pulsing on Messenger. Now you can enjoy a less distracting Messenger experience without that constant pulsing notification. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.